Hello and welcome to the channel. Judiciary. Introduction to Judiciary. The judiciary refers to the system of courts in a country that interprets and applies laws. It protects the citizens' rights, resolves disputes, and upholds the constitution. The judiciary is crucial for maintaining the rule of law, ensuring laws apply equally to all. Importance of judiciary in a democracy. Ensures laws are implemented fairly and protects individuals' rights. Keeps a check on the government's power by ensuring that laws follow constitutional principles. Provides justice to all, irrespective of caste, gender, religion, or economic status. Independent judiciary prevents misuse of power by the by the executive and legislature. Role of the judiciary. The judiciary performs several key functions. Dispute resolution. Courts resolve conflicts between different parties, including citizens versus citizens, property disputes, contract disputes, citizens versus government, the violation of fundamental rights, two state governments, like the river water disputes between states, center versus state, division of powers between union and state governments. Judicial review. The Supreme Court and High Courts have the power of judicial review. Courts can strike down laws passed by the government if they violate the Constitution. Ensures that no law or government action is unconstitutional. Upholding fundamental rights. If a citizen's fundamental rights are violated, they can directly approach the Supreme Court or High Court. The judiciary can issue writs, means legal orders, to protect these rights. Example, right to education, that is Article 21A, courts ensure free and compulsory education for children. Independent judiciary. The judiciary is independent of the executive and legislature. This ensures fair and unbiased judgments. Features of an independent judiciary. Judges are appointed without political interference. Judges can't be easily removed, preventing undue influence. The Constitution separates the judiciary from the executive and legislature. Why is an independent judiciary important? Prevents misuse of power by the government, ensures laws are implemented impartially, protects minority rights from unjust majority decisions, maintains public confidence in the legal system. Number 4. Structure of courts in India. India has an integrated judiciary, meaning that courts are linked in a hierarchy. Supreme Court is the apex court, the highest judicial authority in India. Decisions are final and binding on all other courts. Can handle original jurisdiction, means cases between states or center versus state. Appellate jurisdiction, appeals from lower courts. Advisory jurisdiction, advice to the president on legal matters. High courts, located in each state or for a group of states, supervises lower courts and hears appeals, can issue writs to protect fundamental rights. Subordinate courts, district and lower courts. District courts deal with civil and criminal cases at the district level. Below district courts are magistrate and civil courts handling minor cases. Lower courts follow the decisions of higher courts. Appellate system. A person dissatisfied with a lower court's judgment can appeal to the higher court. Example, A case decided in district court moved to High Court and then to Supreme Court. Case study: State, the Delhi administration versus Lakshman Kumar in 1985. Trial court in the lower court convicted accused of dowry death and sentenced them to death. High Court overturned the trial court's decision and acquitted the accused. Supreme Court reviewed the case, found the accused guilty, and sentenced them to life imprisonment. This case highlights the appellate system where higher courts review lower court decisions. Branches of the legal system. The legal system in India is divided into two main types of laws. Criminal law deals with crimes against society like theft, murder, dowry, harassment. The government through the police investigates the crime. The case is presented in court by the public prosecutor. If found guilty, the accused faces punishment like imprisonment or fines. For example, if a person is caught stealing, a police complaint, that is FIR, is filed. The police investigate and the trial begins in court. If guilty, the person is punished under criminal law. Civil law deals with disputes between individuals, especially, for example, property disputes, divorce, contract issues, etc. The affected person files a petition in court. The court issues a decision, but there is no punishment like imprisonment. For example, a person refuses to return borrowed money. The lender can file a case in court under civil law to get the money back. What is the difference between civil and criminal law? Criminal law, the crime against society. Civil law, the dispute between individuals. Theft, murder, dowry, property disputes, divorce. Government, the public prosecutor files the case and the affected individual files the case. Imprisonment, fines, and both the compensation or settlement are the results. Here FIR is required, but in civil law FIR is not required. Judiciary and access to justice. Legal processes can be expensive and slow, making it difficult for poor citizens to seek justice. The government provides free legal aid to those who can't afford lawyers. The Lok Adalat, means People's Court system, offers quick and cost-effective dispute resolution. Public interest litigation, that is PIL, allows any citizen to file a case for social justice. Example of PIL: the right to food case in 2001 led to government action for providing midday meals in schools. Conclusion: the judiciary is essential for upholding democracy and protecting citizens' rights. It ensures justice is delivered fairly and that the government follows the constitution. India's judiciary remains independent and powerful, allowing citizens to seek justice freely.